My name's Pablo Waksman. I'm an agronomist and a producer in the area of Cardona. I think that in the relationship between BPU and the Association of Producers, the most important thing is the payment based on the quality or on a category, which is a way of receiving more directly the idea of what it is that the plant needs, the signs towards which our production should be oriented. As for the Association of Producer, the key is the straightforward relationship we have with the company directors, which give us the trust to project ourselves. We can talk with them and we can be updated on the plant functioning, on how the business is for them and how it is for us. This gives us more stability and an idea of how our work will be in the near future. Hence, we can organize ourselves and think of investing in genetics, in fodder, in buying machinery, etc. Because there's a certainty that unless something unexpected happens, the business will remain stable in the long term. The payment category is the way to establish a relationship between the industry and the producer, because it tells us what is best for the industry and what the industry pays best. And that's what we producers try to produce. We receive signs of the industry's need through prices. It has been useful because it makes us look for younger and heavier animals, better cattle in what comes to INAC categories, more animals category N. Working with protocols has helped us a lot in general. It has organized the work in the establishment. To take the accounting systematically, especially the records of the animals feeding and the amounts given to them, is another way of keeping an order. Also keeping control of the products used in the country and the farms. We now have a proper register of everything done in every farm and of the production of each farm. The idea of being conservationist and friendly with the environment has always been among us. It has always been a purpose or something to consider in exploitation and planning, whether it is the preservation of biodiversity or of wildlife. I love to go out to the country and see the capybaras, the foxes, the otters in the dams, despite they destroy the dams. The other thing that worries us is the soil. We try to practice agriculture, rotating between pastures and sorghum sowings. Sorghum is basic for livestock fattening and as additive, and so it is highly used in rotations. We see a lot of sorghum. That fits well in the conservation scheme.